Yeah.
And so when I went to pay off my mortgage, which was the very first thing I did when I made any money at all, I was criticized strongly by a friend of mine who's knowledgeable on financial matters, who's gotten way richer than I'll ever be. And he said, that's idiotic. Why would you do that? You've got a low rate and the government is paying you to have that mortgage.
Not true. Not true. It's true for such a small percentage of the population. So here's the thing. The only person who can write off the interest on their home mortgage is someone who itemizes their deductions, particularly under Trump. And they're still in place. Biden has not undone them. The standard deduction on a 1040 is so stinking high now that 92% of Americans do not itemize. Your charitable deductions are not of zero value if you don't itemize. Your interest deductions are of zero value on your tax return if you do not itemize. And so only 8% of Americans does this apply to, okay? Which could be you. You could, you've got a complicated businesses. You probably are itemizing. You're probably not doing a standard 1040 easy because you've got deductions in excess of the standard deductions, which would make you want to do the itemization. Me too, by the way. And so now let's go to that case for the 8%. We got rid of 92%, but let's go ahead and go with the 8. So let's say that you pay, I'll make up a number, $10,000 in interest in a year. You give $10,000 to the bank in interest. If you are in a 30% tax bracket, you take a $10,000 tax deduction. That means you don't pay taxes on $10,000 of your income.